Hello there. Welcome to section 8 reporting. So, to start off the session, we will see what is a report and we will take it from there. So, let's say we have a company like BMW. So, BMW manufactures the cars, it has a sales process, it sells the cars, it has to maintain the inventory, how many cars are available at how many locations to support the sales. It has to support marketing and to see if it's effective. It has to maintain and monitor logistics to make sure everything is being delivered at the right place at the right time. So, this data is stored over multiple tables for manufacturing, for sales, and all these different lanes and maintained in the transaction system or the ERP system. So these are all different tables, but they all have something in common in terms of the foreign keys. So at some point, you can start connecting them and making sense. Now, let's say that BMW has a target of selling 100 cars in 6 months. So the management, the production team, the marketing team, the sales team, the logistics team, all these teams need to monitor and take decisions on a daily, weekly, monthly basis. So they need to understand how much has been manufactured and are all the supplies available, what is the production cost, is it under control. They need to monitor sales, are we selling enough for every month, and they need to maintain, do we have inventory to support sales, and do we have enough marketing to gain the throughput for the sales, and also logistics to make sure everything is working on time. For audience of different lanes to understand and take decisions, the IT builds reports. So now this complex or boring data, which is very hard to comprehend, which is in tables, can be created in nice reports which are visually appealing and by which you can understand the information in a very effective and fast way. Once you understand what is happening, then you can take decisions to reach your goals. So that's why management wants to see reports. So whether it's production cost to understand what is the cost, whether it is a sales split to understand what kinds of sales is happening, in which region and how they can improve it, and what kind of projections you are targeting for the next coming quarters. So this is just a small example as to what is a report and what is the process of going about it. In this section, we are going to see SAP Bob J toolset, and we will see some of the exciting tools and some of the new tools in the Bob J stack, and we will build reports on those tools using HANA models.